G'day, I'm Clive and welcome to CDP Outdoors. Early start today, time's 4:30 and heading from Ball Creek Shelter to Helena Shelter on the Bibbulmun Track. Chilly morning. Date November the 12th. It's been a few months since I got out last. Temperature last night, cold. It must have got down to probably close to about 3-4 degrees centigrade at the shelter. The forecast the rest of the week being back up in the 8 to 15 one night, so it's not going to be too bad. 20 minutes in and we can see I was able to walk this morning. I think the moon is nearly a full moon up there, so the track was lit up, and even if you are walking in the dark, if you've got your head torch on, the actual wargles, they reflect and glow with your head torch, so sometimes it's actually easier to see them at night because they glow from a further distance away. The temperature warming up now. I don't have my breath. Nothing there now. The sound of the birds and everything waking up is beautiful. See if you can hear it. Just about, I think. Every time I start walking and get the noise on my feet, the birds start. Yeah, walking early, it is nice because you get to hear all the wildlife waking up, and you get to see them a little bit more hopping across the track, and there's less chance to see snakes because it's cold, so they're curled up somewhere keeping warm. Just over an hour in, and we're nearly 3 kilometres, or about 3 kilometres into the walk. The scenery has been fantastic. The actual track has been a little bit overgrown in places, and coming down the declines has been a bit of pea gravel, rocks and gravel, so using a walking pole may be a good idea. Just be safe. And let me show you the view from where I am at the moment. Look at that, isn't it beautiful? Okay, let's get on. 2 hours in, and I've got 2.8 kilometres to go to get to Helena. Swap my hat, the beanie was getting a bit too warm, but still not warm enough to take the jacket off. Probably be that time when I get to Helena. This last hour's walk we've had a few steep inclines, nothing long, but they have been a little bit awkward. Like I said, walking poles I think are necessary on this bit. My walking pole saved me a couple of times from going down, because it's just the pea gravel and the washed out track with rocks on it. Yeah, beautiful morning, look at this. Doesn't that look fantastic? Now it's 7:30, so 3 hours in, and we've made it to Helena Shelter. So there's the little sign. So I'm going to go and have a sit down and a rest, and I hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you have and you're not already a subscriber, please go down below and click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell next to it and select all, so you can be notified of all future videos. And if you are already a subscriber, again I thank you very much. So until next time, get out there, have some fun and take care.